In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google Play Protect. If you need to disable this feature on your Android device, I'll walk you through the process clearly and simply. Google Play Protect is a built-in security feature that scans apps on your device for harmful behavior. It's designed to help keep your phone safe, so before turning it off, just keep in mind that your device may be more vulnerable to unsafe apps. If you only need to disable it temporarily, that can be a safer approach. To get started, open the Play Store on your device. You can usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once the Play Store is open, make sure you're on the main screen so you can access your account options easily. Next, go to your profile and tap Play Protect. Your profile icon is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap that icon to open the menu, then look for the Play Protect option and select it. This will take you to the section where Google shows the status of app scanning and security checks on your device. After that, locate the gear icon and tap it. The gear icon will open the Play Protect settings page. If you don't see it right away, take a quick look near the top corner of the screen, since that's where settings icons are usually placed. This is where you can manage how Play Protect works on your phone. Once you're in the settings, turn off Scan Apps with Play Protect. You'll see a toggle next to that option. Tap the toggle to disable it. Your device may show a warning or confirmation message explaining that turning this off can reduce your protection against harmful apps. If that message appears, review it carefully and confirm only if you want to continue. And that's it. Google Play Protect will now be turned off on your device. As a final tip, if you disable this feature for a specific reason, it's a good idea to turn it back on once you're done. That way, your device can continue checking apps for potential risks. Also, be extra careful about downloading apps from unfamiliar sources while Play Protect is off. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you turn off Google Play Protect quickly and easily.